What's up, guys? About Sinus coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk on, peeps. Are we there with another
brand new banger?
But as usual, guys, right before getting night, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Good morning, peeps. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, all I do outside settings again. I like it out there cool and nice. But anyway, peeps, make we get right into that video. That video here really have me thinking. Gwan, you know what I call that one here? Church people.
Thomas, I want to ask you a question. Good morning, Pastor Thomas. This is Deacon West from Apostle Sinai, live in America. Me same one. The one who caught the judgment and the one don't have something there. Let me ask you something this morning. You get a stall from the bishop. What you waiting for? Supermarket? You want supermarket? So as for your pussy one good. That you get stall and you are wait for supermarket. If you get from the bishop, you say you come to Apostle Sinai to fuck down and mash up the church. That's what you come to do. As I look up to you when I just hear you come to Apostle Sinai, I say you're a woman of integrity and look like you have somebody. But to find out now that you're a bitch. Because you come to the church and you realize that the bishop and Pastor Shah have children to have a child together, and you come in with the other pastor lady, and you come in at the church, and Pastor Thomas, you really got there with Bishop Dennis Messiah. So you are so low and so classless that you come in at the church and you put one in your forehead as a big woman. Uno a big people in a church have uno care uno pussy in a forehead. Uno pussy no have no condition. I went want shampoo, and then the shampoo you want. You're married how much time and for your pussy can't hold no man. As I say walk around and take every man where you can get. Una big woman, 4 times you want married, and you come down at Dennis Messiah you want to come roll up in your bind the pussy. I saw you one wicked and bad woman. And she and that Jamaica to blood clot to deal with you. For no want to hear people, want people hear what not going with the church. The big pastor woman. You get stall and you want blood clot supermarket with drive-through. Eh? You come down there, your friend with Bishop with Pastor Shah, and you did a techie man at the same time. And you have a friend in a church. You have to stop it, man, you're not too low. You know what, like with a big woman and a blood clot all sagara. You know walk with no pussy and fuck everyone you go.
Batty man boy. If me even not take Bishop, me not take another woman. And me not take Bishop. Cause suck your mama dirty boy. Batty man. Man a play up in your shit pit. Man a play up in your shit pit. Now man a play up with me. I'm not there with Messiahs. One time I married dirty boy. Dirty old boy. When man a play up in your shit pit. I'm not take Dennis, I'm not tap go March Pen Road. So anytime you come on March Pen Road, you go come see me. I'm not tap go down there. All I know we are surrogate up and a talk about me and Dennis there. Me and Dennis not there. Because I couldn't see the dilemma where I go on down there and go drop in at that dirty boy. And you go tell you and your friend them, go tell your friend them, and say anytime you want to fuck, me ride the plane, go fuck and come back. You hear me I tell you? My man live a Curacao. Every time you want to fuck, me ride the plane go fuck. Me not fuck with no girl. You hear me I tell you? I'm not there with Dennis. So get on a hack together. The whole I don't know where I call up my name. Get on a hack together. I'm not there with the Bishop Messiahs. Oh, me can swear upon my mama grave. Me not there with Dennis. So no get on a hack together on a nastiness. Go away. All I know is sodomite and Batman.
Man supposed to play up in my blood clot because me good. That's why man a play in my blood clot. And let me tell you something. So why you deal with me now? Man supposed to play in my blood clot because me have something where man want. You not have a mama blood clot where man want because say you have to walk, them hoping like a blood clot close pin and I say you're hoping and can't hold. Let me tell you something. You don't know a mama blood clot about me. And if me a batty man with class coming up fuck any kind of man. Learn that this bitch. Okay? You is a low class dirty blood clot bitch. That's what you are. Because you go there and you get a blood clot style, you want pussy clot supermarket in your big stinking pussy wall Thomas. Where walk a fuck with blood clot man like a dog. Dirty girl. You can't hold a blood clot man for yourself. Nasty pussy wall woman. Your pussy full of rat. That's why you can't hold a blood clot man. You're saying I'm not gripping your hole, girl. You can't hold a man for your married until now you can't hold a blood clot man. Look how much time they catch you from with man to blood clot. That's why your husband will left you dirty nasty pussy Thomas. Big dirty nasty blood clot old Thomas. And you me a pussy clot talk. You think me afraid of no blood clot? You think me afraid of you? Oh in a mad pen road must be blood clot afraid of, but I'm not afraid of you at all. Dirty girl. You can't put up my blood clot in your backyard because this a one ya. This a dirty blood clot boy. No afraid of no pussy clot woman. I woman like you make me scan the ground on a blood clot walk from because you're not no class. You make me not no nature of a blood clot woman because say you're down to the ground. The blood clot dog have him season but you don't have none. You walk and fuck like a pussy clot dog.
Can you believe that his church brother and church sister cursing like that? Eh? Deaconess in a church at Kingston, a Mark Penwood or a place name. Eh? Imagine that.
She can do it. Little belly last week. Look, belly. No movement there. Let's check. Post it tomorrow. Surely, man.
Alright peeps, you see that video they wanna just see a while ago? Is with Minister Green. Right? At a hotel on a non-movement day, gathering with a bag of people, alright? But guess what? I'm gonna take it from me. Make we get to the news and hear what the news I say. I'll pop it up right there so you can see what I go on. Alright? Here we go. Nationwide FM. Justin. Floyd Green as a candidate minister is hanging in balance. The video of the agriculture minister being among a group that breached the COVID-19 protocols went viral on social media last night. The Prime Minister is reportedly livid. Ah boy. The administration in its effort to manage the COVID-19 pandemic has consistently pleaded with Jamaicans to follow the protocols of social distancing, wearing a mask and limited gathering. Minister Green is now caught on a tape breaching these protocols. Minister Green is also a member of Parliament for the Southwest St. Elizabeth and chairman of the JLP Area 4 Council, right? The controversy gathering stemmed a social media last evening when a video surfaced of the Minister Green at a social gathering. Some sources allege that the gathering took place at the hotel in St. Andrew on Tuesday this week, which is also a non-movement day. Others have alleged that the gathering was held on Friday, September the 3rd, which was not a non-movement day. Alright. A smiling Minister Green was seen in the video seated at the table. He also was not wearing a mask. The cabinet minister and several others at the table were in the company of well-known party promoter and counsel for the Mona division in St. Andrew, Bellamy. Also among the gathering gathered and sharing in the festivities was Minister Green advisor Gabriel Hilton, whose birthday was yesterday. Hilton is also the vice president of GLP National Organization for Women, GLP Now. Only one person at the social gathering was displayed in the video. An unidentified female had on a mask she wore on her chin. No. Controversy. So people are say the video shoot on a day when them have lockdown. Some people are say it shoot on the day when there was movement and stuff like that. No, I don't know what gwan. I don't want to judge nobody and say nothing. Let me hear your thoughts on the whole matter and thing. Alright? Next video right now.
Where you walk going there?
Right, I say it's a broke out and you're going here. Burger King, cross.
Broke out and I'm coming here with thief.
Are you thief?
I'm a thief.
Hey, tonight me go fix your business.
Oh,
Hey,
God,
move,
sir,
hey,
oh,
move,
God.
move.
Oh God, sir, oh God.
Whoa. Yeah man, hope you enjoy them video and thing. Keep it short and spicy. But guess what? Hear my thoughts on the whole matter. That video there with the Deacon and the Deaconess is very disturbing. Cause remember say church, especially in a Jamaica, them always say Jamaica is the last haven. You know what I mean? The last heavenly place where God roam enough. And this is an embarrassment as a man who love God himself and, you know what I mean, practice and walk the path as best as possible towards God. And, you know what I mean, I growing up in the church, I understand and know certain things, and this is a no-no. You know what I mean? The deacon said she come in the church, sleep with him, forget things and stuff like that, and she married 4 times and him a cheap bag of bad word, and you know what I mean, and she a say him a gay and filthy, walk up in a filth and stuff like that, and him a cuss and I say if I saw it go him have something. What kind of slackness that are going in our church, brother? Sanctuary, a holy place, a place where the deacon and the deaconess supposed to be ambassador, people who represent God. You see, at them thing here, keep young people and enough people from the church, you know, cause you know what I mean, division in the church among one another, and hypocrisy, slackness, who asleep with who, fornicator, adulter, sodomite behavior, and all them things there. I say in a church though. In a church, what? Like all them things here, only think you think this is right? This no, I'm not proud of this. You know what I mean? This not right. Church people are go at each other and behave so. That right? That right? That not look good. And she has say, yo, let me know your thoughts on the whole matter down there, so below. And thing, you look away. Minister Green, I don't know where you go get yourself in, brother. But if it is that you breach the no movement protocol, well, you just have to deal with the law. Know what I mean? And separate apart from that, I don't see nobody that's wearing a mask. I know them eat and thing. And so, but I don't see no social distancing and thing. I don't know. But just let me know your thoughts on the whole matter down below. Big up on yourself. Happy Wednesday again. See you guys on the live stream over my gaming channel. The link gonna be down below. And thing. And respect for all of the people them who support me from day one, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Shout outs to the whole Sinus Gaming crew. Shout outs to the sponsors, them. Shout outs to everybody. Big up on yourself. And just go and journey with your boy. Ashoo! Hey!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker.